So you're tired of your AC's drain line systems getting all clogged up, leaving you hot, sweaty, or worse, winding up with a water leak that causes thousands of dollars in damage, and you're now considering the iFLO Smart Automated Drain Line Cleaning System. So to start with, what's in the box? Well, let's open it up and see. Pretty much everything you need to install this system is already in this box. So right here, you can see right here, stop. You want to download the app. This is a smart device, so you're going to want to download the app onto your smartphone, and that's going to help you set it up. It's going to walk you through the whole process, as well as then maintain the system. This page right here is going to give you an overview of what you're going to be doing for the installation. Believe me, it's easy. Literally anybody can do this. In this bag, you're going to find a couple other things here. Number one, this right here has a QR code. You scan that, that takes you to the app, whether you're on the App Store or you're on Google Play Store. Inside here, you're also going to find this little template. So this template properly measures out the actual spacing on your unit. If you're going to stick it to the unit or the wall, doesn't really matter. Allows you to set this up and go, okay, do I have any wires or hoses or anything that's going to be in the way when I do this? And of course, a sticker. This allows you to name the location. If you have multiple air handlers, so you want to put an iFLO on each one of those, you can name that so that in your app, you know which one is which. That sticks right onto your unit. And of course, we've got an alcohol swab right here, a little patch. That allows you to clean the surface because our mounting bracket does have a double-sided tape on it that allows it to mount to just about any surface. So now, inside this box, like I said, literally everything you need. You've got the mounting bracket. On the back, you've got that extremely strong alien tape that's going to stick right to any surface. On the front, you've got a screw hole right here. If you do want to mount it to a drywall, a stud, or whatever, you can do that. It has a level as well to keep it nice and level when you're doing it. The batteries that this runs on comes directly with this. You get 4 Energizer batteries right there. They last about 18 months. You have this cap right here. This is your open access cap. That goes directly over that maintenance open access you've got on your drain lines. It's just outside of your air handler. You put that on there and you can hook the hose right up to that. On top of that, and the way I really recommend it, you've got another way to install it instead of that, and this is probably the better way right here. You have right here, this little saddle, this is your direct access. This means you're going to drill a hole through your drain line using this tool right here. Again, literally everything comes in this kit. This snaps over your drain line, drills the hole, and doesn't let you make a mistake. Super, super easy. Of course, you've got the main head unit right here. This is the brains of the operation. It controls everything, has the hose already attached, and that's what you're going to put right into your system. That's how you're going to get the solution to flow into your air handler and right into your drain pan even. This is going to get your system started, get it really nice and clean so that it can be maintained properly by the iFLO system. And this is going to be monitored, of course, by your head unit that goes into the app so that you can control all of it right from your app and know exactly what's going on with your system. So that's literally everything you need to install the iFLO Smart Automated Drain Line Cleaning System onto your air handler. And believe me, literally anybody can do this.